Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to add meta fields in Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, obviously you need to log into your account and you will end up over here. On the bottom left corner, you will find settings. Just click on that. And here you are. Just scroll down and on the left side of the menu, you will see that we have custom data. Just click on that and here we are. This is where you can add your meta fields as you can see over here. So this is very easy, right? We have markers, blog posts, blogs, pages, and every single thing, even variants. And if you want to talk about products, specific product, what you can do is just click on that and click on add definition. And for this, like, what if I am selling a product for, apparel and clothing? So what I can say, like care guide, I can add the care guide over here. And if I search that, you can see the instruction for taking care of a product or apparel. Just click on that and you can see that we can add the stuff accordingly. After that, just click on, save. And once you save this, you can see that we can created our first, meta field definitions over here. And you can create as much as you want until you can see that it has only 20 limits. So make sure it should be under 20, right? So after that, we have variants and you can add variants also from over here. If you are selling, different clothes of type, you can add that from over there. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to use or add meta fields in Shopify. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.